Day 19, we're finishing it all out. All right, so we've got this part. We've got this part. Now, I can't remember if I've explained the part where we go up from the 1 to the 4. Okay, so we're doing the same thing. So we're doing blow. We're doing blow, draw. So we're going blow, draw, blow, draw. Sorry, we're doing blow, draw, blow, and then back up for another draw. No. All right, I'll figure this out. Blow, blow, blow. Bend and draw. Then back to the blow. Blow, blow, blow. Draw, blow. And then we're doing the multiple holds. But we're doing those as draws. And then we're going back down to the original. So, after we've done those, then we are just going to riff a little bit up when we go up to the 5. Like I said, we're doing that little we're doing that little riff there, and then we're finalizing the whole thing out, going back over the 1. And that's it. We have that whole song there. Now, you can do any kind of variations on that you want. You can throw little things in. If somebody else is playing some guitar, you can be more back-uppy about it. You're limitless with what you can do. You have that entire song put together. And you can do that for 9 hours straight if you want, like ZZ Top did on their first get-together jam. 9 hours of 12-bar blues, just jamming. And you're at it, you're there. You have the basics. You can go out there and you can sit on a street corner and put a hat out and just play that over and over and over and over again. People will walk by, they'll hear you playing, throw $1 in. Hey, who knows how much money you can make? You know, but that's not what we're doing it for. We're doing it just because we can. Just because we want to, because we're feeling it. And that's where we're at. We have an entire blues song in our head. We know where we're going if we're doing solos. We know how to comp. We know how to back people up. We know how to do everything. We understand what 12-bar blues are. We understand how to play 12-bar blues. We're there, okay? In the past month, we have gone from not knowing any type of harmonica stuff, from having zero knowledge of a harmonica, to learning that there are different keys of diatonic harmonica, to figuring out which key is our first key, to learning how cross harp works. We've got everything together in one place. And now it's just a matter of practicing, going out to the woodshed, practicing, getting better at our 1 holes, getting better at our 2 holes, learning tongue techniques, figuring out what overblowing is. Now, once you have gotten here, you can stand up, at any blues jam and get by. Now it's just a matter of you doing you. That's what we're going to talk about tomorrow. Remember, subscribe, hit the like button, share this with your friends. Go to thejukejoint.countzeroblues.com. If it doesn't automatically load for you, click the link that's there. It will load for you. And please donate. I absolutely need the donation. It's going to Count Zero Blues / the Juke Joint with dashes. I think what it is. You can go to countzeroblues.com and sign up for my email list. I do have things coming up. I'm going to talk about that early next week, and I will see you folks then. Thank you for sticking with me this long, and keep going and keep sticking with me. We're going to be going places. I appreciate you all. You folks have a beautiful day.